Hey guys, welcome to this wireless mouse tutorial. So it doesn't matter which of the type of wireless mouse you're using, and here I'm going to show you how to turn off a wireless mouse. So if your wireless mouse fails to turn off, or you fail to turn off your wireless mouse, then you stand the chance to keep charging the wireless mouse every day, and on a norm, when your wireless mouse is fully charged, it should last a couple of days before charging it again. So it doesn't matter how long you use it, at least you should be able to use a wireless mouse that is fully charged for at least 3 days or more. But if you fail to turn off the wireless mouse, then the wireless mouse lifespan battery will be reduced. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to turn off your wireless mouse. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, it doesn't matter the type of wireless mouse you're using, for as long as it is wireless, then there is definitely going to be a button to turn off the wireless mouse when not in use. So it's either the wireless mouse is by the side, at the top here, or beneath. Then you're going to find the wireless mouse power button around the wireless mouse itself. So most of the wireless mouse I've used in the past have the power button beneath, just like this, as well as this new one. So once you get your wireless mouse that you want to turn off, what you just need to do is this: flip the wireless mouse to the bottom and see if you have the on and off button beneath. So if the on and off button is available on the wireless mouse, just go ahead and then flip it like this to turn it off. To know that the wireless mouse is turned off, then the light indication showing that the wireless mouse is turned on here, this particular light, is that it's going to turn off. So the moment you turn off the wireless mouse, the light will disappear. You see that? Then turn it off, and then the wireless mouse light is gone. So once it is turned off, the light indication beneath here is going to disappear. That is, the wireless mouse is turned off. So you can do this for all your wireless mouses in case you are not using them or you are going for the weekends, so that the battery will not drain when you resume the week. So that is basically how to turn off a wireless mouse. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.